What's up, home slice? Lucas here. So, I've been still getting a lot of questions on the kip up. I made a lot of videos on this move in the past. Not to worry though, because I'm gonna make another one, why not? I am believing by the end of this video, you will be able to do a kip up. If you follow along, follow my advice, do my tips, I don't care if you're a beginner. I'm gonna show you how to go from nothing to getting a kip up easily, the easy way. But you gotta focus. Now, first things first, I think most people struggle with bringing their chest up after they kick their legs. Now, one thing I see almost everybody do wrong, or it's not wrong, okay, you can do kip-ups like this, but I see people making it 10 times harder for themselves because they try to do a kip-up and they try to land like this with their legs close together. Now, you can do that if you're a pro boss Jackie Chan. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, you can do that. It's not impossible and it's not wrong. Nothing's wrong. But you're making it hard for yourself. When you first start doing the kip up, you're most likely gonna be landing super low. And if you can't even kick yourself up high, well, that's why your chest is falling back, because you're kicking up like this. Secret. What I want you to do is we're gonna work backwards. Instead of having your legs close together like this, what I want you to do, spread them apart, maybe point your toes out a little bit. Whatever it takes for you to get in a deep squat position like this. Look at this. Yeah, that was a little weird. But my pelvis is like literally 3 inches off the ground. And my shoulders are even close to my knees. I'm deep in the squat. Hold it right here in your deep squat position. What I want you to do is literally just roll to your butt and roll back. Okay? Fetus. Now, when you do that roll, it's literally gonna show you that that wasn't that much of a distance. All you need to do is get from that fetus position back into that deep squat position. So without kipping it, first what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna roll into it. This is gonna train your body to change your momentum. So stand up like this, deep squat, roll, and then roll back. And try to squat up like that. If you can't do it, just work on that momentum until you go forward like this. Your first couple of rolls might be you might be like, oh crap, didn't get it. Then work on it. Use everything you got to get back into this position. Number one, that's gonna train your brain and your muscles and your muscle memory to learn what it feels like to shift your momentum forward. Number two, it's gonna give you confidence because you're gonna be from your back to your feet. And it's gonna be like, well, I can do this on the roll. Maybe I can do this with a kip. So spreading your legs out is gonna allow you to get your pelvis closer to the floor while keeping everything aligned on the side, so it's easier to balance. Well, that's a little secret. You can land your kip up way lower. So you go into your squat, out to the side, roll, and then throw yourself forward. Come to your feet. Look at it. My pelvis is like literally now 1 inch off the ground, but I'm back on my feet, and all I did was roll. The only difference now is we're gonna apply that kip up kick that we were trying before and we were failing at. We're gonna apply that, but instead of landing like this, we're gonna try to land spread out, pelvis at that front roll. So you can even do it like this, watch. It doesn't have to be dramatic. Honestly, you'll notice it's a lot easier to bring your chest up because everything is way more condensed in the side here. Boom. Now, yeah, that is a pretty low kip up. You're landing pretty dang low. That's okay, all right? Because you're actually landing it for the first time and you're getting up. Now you can squat out from there. So if you had to, boom. Most people have that problem with bringing their chest up. That will literally help probably 80 to 90% of people out there immediately get their kip up. So if you've been working on it, you've been stuck, try the legs spread out, try to get that pelvis low. I'm not done yet. I still have more secrets, okay? More new stuff that I want to share with you guys. Now there's a few other techniques. One was using like some pillows, stack them up, and then slowly remove the pillows because you'll be starting with your chest already kind of up. Okay, and you'll be just getting used to that slowly. Remove a pillow, you're a little bit lower. Remove another pillow or a couch cushion and slowly do that till you're flat on the ground. Another hack I had was the resistance bands. So you can use resistance bands to help aid you in bringing your chest up. Multiple different techniques. Check out that video. It's a really good one. New little hack right here for learning the kip up. This is something I came up with when I was breakdancing, b-boying, and it's actually kind of ridiculously easy to do a kip up. Okay, you're trying to do your kip up, you're trying to go straight. Instead of going straight, roll to the side like this. So I'm gonna go straight, but no, I'm rolling to the side and up, and I'm using that hand to help push me. What I want you to do is instead of just rolling straight back like this, I want you to go from the opposite leg to the opposite arm. And that opposite arm, you're gonna tuck it in like this. So I roll to the side like this, and then push up. You really use this arm to aid you on the side, and you can keep that arm on the ground the whole time because look at this, check out this motion. Arms like this, push up, boom. See that? Boom. Okay, very simple. Arms like this, down here, this motion. Push up, turn it, boom. Push up, turn it, boom. Kind of looks ridiculous. The one thing about this is like you're gonna be able to keep your arm on the ground the entire time. This might not work for everybody, but if you're someone who has some decent arm strength, decent coordination, but can't get the kip up, this will help you break it down and you'll be able to keep your hand on the ground the entire time, which some people when they let go, they're like, and they lose it. But this one, you'll be able to guide yourself up slowly. So down, up, see? Down, up like that. And the more you work on this, the more you'll be able to get up straight because you'll time it out better. Boom. It looks rough and it kind of is, but it might help some people out there, this one. Open up the pelvis, land low, and then slowly progress up and up. You can also try the new side technique, might work for some people out there. Just keeping that stuntman training real. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you all out. More videos coming this week, more tutorials, more vlogs, skit coming Sunday as always. Oh, leave a comment if that helped or worked. I want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. I'll see you all in the next video.